Guys, imagine you take a single, flat 2D photo of your room, a street, or literally any scene. Now, what if I told you that you could tell an AI to generate brand new views as if you physically walked into that photo and moved the camera yourself? I am talking about looking slightly to the left, peering over to the right, or even doing a full 360-degree pan around a flat image. Well, this isn't sci-fi anymore. A brand new, unique open-source AI image editor called UniGeo just dropped, and it gives you absolute, precise control over the camera direction of a static image. Today, I am going to show you exactly how this mind-blowing tech works and how you can test it for free right now. So what exactly is this black magic? UniGeo actually stands for Unifying Geometric Guidance. Normally, when AI tries to guess what is behind an object in a photo, it hallucinates and creates a messy, melting disaster. But UniGeo fixes this by giving the AI a massive, highly consistent 3D understanding of the image at 3 different levels simultaneously. Think of it like giving the AI a 3D brain. You start with your original camera pose, just the normal photo. Then you simply type a prompt like camera move by left or camera move by right. And the AI literally changes the camera pose angle. It supports moving left, right, up, down, and even full 360-degree controls. It gives you precise, director-level control over a photo that has already been taken. Now, on their official page, they actually share the exact model pipeline to explain how it works. I'm going to break it down simply so you guys understand the tech. Basically, you upload your standard 2D input image. The AI doesn't just slap a filter on it, it actually takes that image and mathematically reconstructs it into a full 3D point cloud scene. Once it builds that invisible 3D world, you use your text prompts to control where the virtual camera goes. Then it snaps a new photo from that new angle and hands it back to you. It is honestly genius. So I wanted to run this locally on my own PC. I clicked on the code option to check the installation page, but let me be completely real with you guys. The official full open source code for local installation hasn't been completely released yet. However, they did provide a live Hugging Face space where we can actually test this tool right now. Here's how you do it. Once you're in the space, go to the input image section and upload your photo. Next, scroll down to the prompt box. I am going to type in a specific command, camera move by 0.5. Then simply hit the generate point cloud button. This tells the AI to build the 3D scene. You'll see it loading. Once that is done, you hit the final button, generate final result. Now, I have to give you guys a quick reality check. When I was testing this tool for the video, the final result didn't generate for me right away. Keep in mind, this is a brand new, highly experimental research space. But don't worry, I am keeping a very close eye on this project. As soon as this tool fully releases its open source code so we can run it perfectly on our own machines, I am going to be the first one to inform you guys over on my X Twitter account. Make sure you are following me there because I will drop the direct links the second it goes live.